pretending there are no clouds in the sky. She brings the pearls and the pain, I believe. She gently touches the scars. I feel I'm giving up now. Between the pearls and the pain, I believe. So strong inside of me. She gives me God. She stares with bright eyes.